This is a backup file created by the old Windows NT Backup utility. You need the legacy utility to restore it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's restore. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party NPF file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. An NPF file is associated with NTI, New Tech Infosystems backup software. It serves a dual purpose, storing both backup data and pattern information. The backup data contains copies of files and folders, while the pattern information defines the backup schedule, selection criteria, and other configuration settings used by the NTI Backup utility. NPF files are proprietary and designed to be accessed and managed by NTI's backup software. The internal structure includes metadata about the backup job, file indexes, and compressed data blocks. Restoring data from an NPF file requires the original NTI software or a compatible utility capable of interpreting the file format. For full editing functionality, NPF requires NTI Backup Now, which is supplied by NTI Corporation. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows allows minimal preview, but accurate reading requires tools made for that data format. Start by right-clicking the NPF file and selecting Open with Test NTI Backup. Now first, if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some NPF files are very particular about the opener. If you still can't open the NPF file, it's okay. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, use NTI Backup Now. Open the file using NTI Backup Now, the required application for the backup. Next, use Restore function. Launch NTI Backup Now and use its Restore function to load the backup. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.